It's recording. Okay. Yes. We are on our way to get a chicken.
Two chickens.
Two.
For dinner tonight.
For dinner.
Hi, Goldie.
My brother.
Hi, Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Star.
This is Goldie and Star, our dogs. Scenery. We live in a very mountainy area, so we got this all the time. All the sun.
Hi, guys.
There's Blue. We're in our chicken coop.
She's an ISA Brown.
Yes, she is the ISA Brown. She's my chicken. She's really cute. Okay. This is King, and the chicken we don't know if it's a girl or a boy because she crows, but she doesn't lay an egg. Well, she lays an egg. Does she lay eggs?
She's our challenged chicken.
The
We keep her because they're friends, you know.
Yes.
Okay, so
This
we're gonna leave
is
this here.
the meaties. We call them the meaties. The meat birds.
Those
The white ones are Cornishes and
are
The-
Freedom Rangers.
Freedoms.
Yep.
And do we have any Westerns?
Not today. So
Okay.
which one should we take, honey? Which two?
I think we should take one Freedom and one Cornish. These I want to try them both.
No, we're gonna go with just the Cornishes.
This is our chicken coop. Oh, King's so cute. Come on, King. Back up. This chicken coop.
You can go and show our little chickies up.
Yeah. Let's see. This is the Americanas. They're very skittish. The one with the white in the back. Let me just show you. 1 minute. Get back here. Don't let them out. That would be bad. The white one. Okay. The white one, and they'll run. Blue, no. This is our little babies in here we hatched. So we actually got some of our chickens hatching right now.
We do.
Oh, it's okay, everyone.
Okay.
These are our chosen ones. They're
They got
beautiful.
chosen. They got chosen. They're going to like the Rainbow Bridge
They're going to the Chicken Rainbow Bridge.
of Cornish crosses.
Yes.
Game hen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're adorable. Hey, say hi to the camera. Hey, you're so cute. Hey, you can see me in the mirror.
Okay. Here we go. We got them in our cage,
They're adorable.
so they're calm. You know, they're gonna
Yeah.
be okay.
They're gonna be okay.
Yeah. Let's go, guys.
Ugh, my boots are stinky. More of the scenery. Oh. Okay. This is the scenery. Very nice. Oh, that's Buddy. That's Buddy the crow.
And he likes the guts.
Yes.
He's my friend, and I feed him eggs. He protects the chickens from hawks.
Yes.
I've seen him chase 2 hawks off from my coops. So yes, Buddy's a good boy. We love him.
He's so adorable.
Yeah, we feed him eggs too.
Yes.